Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Mirasol Channel TV Online Tutor. Today, we're going to learn about Visayan Phrases. Here's some helpful phrases in Visayan, Cebuano. By the way, in the Central Visayas, we speak Visayan, also known as Cebuano, which is spoken in Siquijor, Negros Oriental, Bohol, and Cebu. Other close variations of this dialect is spoken on some other islands areas nearby. So, what is the phrases? Phrases means put into a particular form of word. What are the phrases words? So, we start. Kumusta ka? Kabalo ka mosulti og English? Gamay ra. Makasulti ko gamay. Wala ko kasabot. Hinaya lang og istorya. Unsay imong ngalan? Asa ko makapalit ani? Asa ang lugar? Unsay masuruyan sa inyong lugar? Tagpila? Pila? Maayong buntag? Maayong hapon? Maayong gabi? Kita taon niya? Oo. Unsa? Kanusa? Asa ang CR? Gutom ko. Mukaon ko, puro utan lang. Busog ko. Uhaw ko. Modugang pa ko palihog. Maulaw ko. The next is about the family name. Papa. Mama. Ate, manang, kuya, manong, manoy. This is how we usually use to give our brothers and sisters call name. Manghod. Toto. This is another call name of the younger. Igsuon. Tiyo, yoyo, tito. Yaya, tita. Lolo, lola. Gulang nga lalaki. Gulang nga babaye. Lalaki, babaye, bata. Dako, gamay, taas. Mubo, putot, unano. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.